Hello guys. Now, this week kuna governor wa Nyeri alichoma by saying that after Baba's death, now maendeleo itatoka Nyanza iende Central. After his remarks, there is a debate that came up of tribalism between Kikuyus and Luos that has been there for some time, but now has been overtaken by events. But I've come to realize, and after doing some research, is that politicians in this country are the ones that bring up these discussions of tribalism. Wanasiasa ndio wanaanzisha siasa ya ukabila. And this such kind of politicians, 2027 tunafaa tuwapeleke wote nyumbani. Kenya is one tribe. There's no problem. Every one of us has his own tribe, but our tribe should be our national heritage. They should bring us together. Our diversity should unite us and bring us together, not separating us from each other, because we need one another. Even if you check your national ID, there's nowhere in your national ID that is saying you are such and such a tribe, that you come from a certain tribe. There's nothing like that. You have one ID that identifies you as a Kenyan citizen, not your tribe. So this kind of politicians who in every election cycle bring up tribalism as a card to play politics, tunafaa wote tuwapeleke nyumbani as quick as possible. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business. Thank you.